Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a critical topic for anyone considering buying a home. Questions to ask your home inspector. A thorough home inspection is crucial to making an informed decision, and knowing what to ask can make all the difference. If you're new here, I'm Bobby Moore, and I've spent the last 30 years in real estate, specializing in renovating, rehabbing, and new construction. Why is it so important to ask questions during a home inspection? Well, it's simple. When you don't ask enough questions, you might overlook significant issues that can turn your dream home into a nightmare. Common pitfalls include unexpected repair costs and safety hazards that could have been avoided. To help you navigate this process, I've compiled a list of 9 essential questions you should ask your home inspector. Question number 1, structural integrity. First up, you need to ask about the overall structural integrity of the house. Specifically inquire if there are any signs of foundation issues, such as cracks or uneven floors. Structural issues can be incredibly costly to fix and can affect the safety of your home. For example, foundation repairs can easily run into tens of thousands of dollars. Imagine moving into your new home only to discover that the foundation is sinking. Yikes! That's why it's essential to catch these problems early. Question number 2, roof condition. Next, ask about the age and condition of the roof. Inquire if there are any signs of leakages or damage or repairs. Roof repairs can be expensive and impact other parts of the house. A minor leak might not seem like a big deal at first, but over time it can lead to significant water damage, mold growth, and even structural issues. So, make sure your inspector gives you a detailed report on the roof's condition. Question 3, electrical systems. Inquire about the state of the electrical system, including wiring and panel. Ask if there are any outdated or unsafe electrical components and if you're going to need to expand your electrical panel in the near future. Current home requirements for electrical panels is much greater than it used to be, so you need to make sure that the home you're getting has all that you're going to need. Faulty electrical systems pose serious safety risks, including fire hazards. For instance, outdated aluminum wiring can overheat and cause fires. Ensuring that the electrical system is up to date and safe will give you peace of mind and prevent potential disasters. Question 4, plumbing system. Ask about the plumbing system's condition, including pipes and water heaters. Inquire if there are any signs of leakage, corrosion, or water damage. Also see if there's anything that's going to need to be repaired or replaced in the near future. Plumbing issues can lead to significant water damage and mold growth if not addressed promptly. Hidden leaks behind walls or under floors can cause extensive damage before you even realize there's a problem. This is why it's crucial to have a comprehensive plumbing inspection. Question number 5, HVAC system. Inquire about the age and condition of the HVAC system. Ask if there has been regular maintenance checks and any recent repairs. A well-maintained HVAC system ensures comfort and energy efficiency in your home. Neglecting regular maintenance can lead to costly repairs or even require a complete system replacement. For example, a neglected air conditioning unit might fail during a heat wave, leaving you sweltering in your new home. And I've seen that one happen. Question 6, insulation and ventilation. Is the installation adequate and are there any issues with ventilation? Inquire about the ventilation systems in bathrooms, kitchen, and attic. Proper insulation and ventilation are critical for maintaining energy efficiency and preventing issues like mold growth. Inadequate installation can lead to high heating or cooling costs, while poor ventilation can result in moisture buildup and indoor air quality problems. Understanding these aspects can help you gauge potential future expenses and comfort level. Also, inadequate ventilation can result in moisture buildup and poor indoor air quality. For instance, insufficient attic ventilation can cause heat buildup in summer and ice dams in winter. Question number 7, pest infestations. See if there are any signs of pest infestations such as termites or rodents. Ask about any previous pest treatments or ongoing issues. Pests can cause significant structural damage and health concerns. I will never forget when I saw a rat in one of the houses I was in. I was not happy. And termites can do extensive damage. They can eat away at wooden structures, compromising the integrity of your home. And you might not even know they're there. A termite infestation left untreated can significantly reduce your home's value as well as the home's structure. So make sure your inspector checks for any signs of pests. Question number 8, water drainage. Are there any grading or drainage issues around the property? Poor grading or drainage can cause water to pool near the foundation, leading to water damage, foundation issues, and basement flooding. Identifying these issues early on can help you address them before they lead to more serious damage and assess the need for any necessary landscaping or drainage improvements. For example, inadequate drainage solutions could result in basement flooding every time it rains heavily. Definitely not something you want to deal with. We had it in the house when I was growing up, and I remember how angry my father would get after every really big rainstorm and how we'd all have to go down in the basement with mops and buckets to clean up the mess. I highly recommend avoiding that if at all possible. Question number 9, safety features. Inquire about safety features like smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and security systems. Ask if these features are up to date and functioning properly. I'm sure your inspector will test and check, but asking just helps you verify that everything is fine. Safety features are essential for protecting your family from potential hazards like fire or carbon monoxide poisoning. Outdated or non-functioning safety equipment can be life-threatening in emergencies. Make sure all safety features are inspected thoroughly for peace of mind. A few more questions to ask about. A couple extra ones we're just going to throw in here. What is the condition of the windows and doors? Windows and doors play a significant role in your home's energy efficiency and security. If they are old, damaged, or improperly sealed, they can lead to drafts, water leaks, and increased energy costs. Knowing their condition helps you plan for potential replacements or repairs, impacting your overall investment in the home. What is the condition of the attic and crawl space? The attic and crawl space can reveal important information about the home's overall condition, such as insulation levels, ventilation, pest infestations, signs of roof leaks, or structural issues. Inspecting these areas thoroughly helps ensure that there are no hidden problems that could lead to significant repairs or health concerns down the line. Here is one for houses that are built before 1978. Are there any signs of asbestos, lead paint, or other hazardous materials? Asbestos and lead paint are common in older homes built before 1978 and pose serious health risks if not properly managed. Understanding if these materials are present allows you to budget for professional removal or remediation and ensures that you are making a safe investment in your future home. Next, can you provide a list of recommended routine maintenance tasks for this home? Every home has unique maintenance needs based on its age, construction, and local environment. A home inspector can provide a list of routine maintenance tasks to keep the home in good condition, helping you plan for ongoing upkeep and avoid costly repairs in the future. This information is invaluable for preserving the home's value and ensuring its longevity. Before we wrap up, I want to mention our home renovation and remodeling toolkit course briefly. Our program helps homeowners with all these issues by providing comprehensive guidance on renovating smoothly within budget while having fun doing it. Whether you're dealing with structural problems or outdated electrical systems, with our toolkit, you're covered. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found the information helpful or know someone who might, please like the video, share it with friends, subscribe for more tips on making informed decisions when buying homes.